calibrated, and as you can see, my GPS position is fixed with the corners blink. Okay, now I will turn max, mean again. Drone is armed, and you're right, drone is ready to fly. The GPS hold is off right now. As you can see, the GPS hold is on right now. The drone is making the correction. This holding is position, although in a very large radius. It's swinging a lot actually. There's a very strong wind. It is holding its position. I'm not doing anything. GPS hold is still active. I am not engaging any roll or pitch stick, reducing throttle right now. It's making aggressive correction.